All right, so let's create the simplest of React applications. It'll be just a hello world, right? React application, just a couple lines of code. First of all, as we just covered, right, we're going to use the npm to install the Create React app tool. And once we have the Create React app installed, we can use it to create our first application. Here, we're building a throwaway application, my app. Might as well just create a fully functioning application. So let's see if I have here a terminal. Let's see, where are we? Yeah, so we are in the fall directory. So let's create a brand new application here. So create React app, and we'll call it webdev fall 2019. Januzzi, this is a client, and it's a React client. So that's going to take a minute or so. So while that's happening, it'll create a directory. We can go into that directory and we can start our application and see what it looks like, right? We'll open it up with our favorite IDE, right? And we'll find a couple things in there. We'll find an index.js, right? And that index.js is the equivalent of our index.html. Right? So all these JavaScript files that we're going to be creating now, right? They're going to represent components that, when put together, they can create, a fairly complex application. There's going to be an entry point to the application, which is the index.js, right? Which plays the part of the index.html. We'll see there that we have a couple of things. We'll see that we have a couple of import commands. Right, that's brand new in the new version of Java 6, ES6, that introduces a lot of the things that were missing in the JavaScript language, such as managing modules, right? Being able to create namespaces so that they didn't collide amongst each other. Also, it allows you to treat other libraries as importable components that you can then use, and they can export the API that are inside of those components and have private, public APIs like you can using Java or C# or any of these more modern languages. Also in there we have React DOM. React DOM is also part of the React framework, and it's basically the low-level implementation of how the high-level rendering and of representation of components, how that translate into the low-level DOM manipulation, right? So this is the only place. This is the only place where you'll see things such as document.getElementById. Right? This is the only place where you'll see low-level access to the actual DOM. Right? After that, everything beyond this is component technology that it uses this abstraction of automatically mapping a data model into some low-level DOM. So you won't be responsible for manipulating low-level DOM ever again. You only stay at the high level. Okay. Let's see if our code is done. If our project is done. Okay, looks like it's done. So if we go into that directory, we go in there and we do an npm start. Okay, should start a new, let's see. Okay, there it is. There's localhost. All right, there it is. So it's not much there. This is the default index page that they have, just saying, hey, this is your boilerplate. React application is already running. And if you want to edit it, go into app.js and start hacking away.
Hi everyone, Jose here. Thanks for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a like. If you're new here, please subscribe. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment down below. Bye.